If you are a Scrapple lover, there's no way you have not had a Scrapple egg and cheese sandwich before. But if you haven't, that's why we're here to show you how to do it and do it good. Go ahead and grab your favorite pack of Scrapple. That's right, they come in different flavors too. And go ahead and slice it and get it ready. Now, if you need help cooking Scrapple, head on over to our original Scrapple video, Flipping Scrapple to Perfection. We're going to show you how to do it and do it right. Don't overcrowd your pan. Give your Scrapple enough room to breathe. You know, just like us, we got a social distance. Everything got a social distance these days. Go ahead and flip your Scrapple over. You know it's all about that flip, making sure you get it right. And it should be nice and goldeny brown and sizzling from that heat. As tempting as that Scrapple looks right now, I know, but we're going to put that to the side and go ahead and move on to the eggs. We're going to do the fried eggs today. We always do scrambled eggs, but with the Scrapple sandwich, you can do whatever floats your boat. We got to give these fried eggs some flavor, so I'm going to add some butter in our pan. Use whatever you like. Whenever we make these fried eggs, the fried eggs just want to go right into the corner of the pan, not just in the middle of the pan like it's supposed to. They do not follow directions at all. And then we're going to season these eggs up with some salt and pepper. Just keep it simple. Once the eggs sit for a minute and I can move it around, then I put it back where it's supposed to, because really my OCD in the kitchen is messing with me at this point, because they're not supposed to be on the edge of the pan like this. You know, I want to make sure they get the even heat like they're supposed to. You know, after you learn how to make scrambled eggs and then you decide to step your egg game up and start to make the fried egg, it's that flip, making sure your egg yolk don't break and go all over the stove. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Go ahead and comment if y'all still struggle with that too. Make sure you season both sides of your egg. You don't just have one side of egg. You got two sides of eggs. So both sides need some love. We're going to go ahead and get these eggs up off that heat. They look good to me. Now, I really wanted to get some croissants because it's nothing like a buttery croissant on a breakfast sandwich. So we're just going to use some regular white bread, and there's nothing wrong with that either. Now, I don't know what type of sandwich you guys make in your house, but in our house for a breakfast sandwich, we like jelly. Grape jelly just seems to go the best. Like, you can use strawberry or apple, but the grape jelly just brings out the flavor more of the Scrapple sandwich. Do y'all agree? What do you even put on your sandwich? Look, we may be missing out on something. This is the best part of the sandwich, is building it up. Now, normally it's 2 pieces of Scrapple per sandwich in our house, but because we're doing a video, we gotta be a little extra for y'all. Is that okay? But if you want to put 2 pieces of Scrapple on it, just go right ahead. There's no specific order of how you have to build this up. And I went on ahead and pulled that piece of the egg. Oh, we don't need that. So we're just going to toss that to the side. Now, this kitchen about to get cheesy. That was cheesy too, but hey, it was funny. Now, this is some Velveeta cheese slices. Normally, we don't use Velveeta cheese slices. We like cheddar. But right now, we can't be choosy in the store. You know how they say beggars can't be choosers. We're going to treat these breakfast sandwiches no different than a buttery grilled cheese. And we're going to toast that bread right on up. This griddle is reversible. It's 2 sides, and it's essential to have in your kitchen, especially for a large family, because we don't have time to be standing over top of this kitchen making sandwich by sandwich. Nope, we can put like 5 or 6 sandwiches on top of this thing. Make sure you check the description box below. You're going to find it there to go ahead and get you one today. That flip was amazing. Now we're going to go ahead and add some more butter to that pan. I know you guys, you probably saying like, goodness gracious, but hey, everything has 2 sides. You got to do one as you're going to do to the other. Your left and your right hand. You got 2 sides of bread. You're going to have one golden side and one, light side of bread. We cannot do that. Tell me the last time you bought a toaster that only had one side for you to toast the bread. No, it comes with 2 sides so they both can match. We finally can go ahead and take these sandwiches off this heat and go ahead and cut into it. You know, that's the next best thing to eating it. Now this is perfect if you work every day or if you at school and you just need something to take with you on the go. Just go ahead and wrap that in some foil and be out the door. But if you want to stay home and eat this sandwich, either way, you're going to be good to go. And this sandwich came out so good. Now, we also have a Facebook group, Cooking and Talking, where you boss up in the kitchen. Let's work together, y'all. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a video, and we'll keep them coming week by week. See y'all later.